Why? Because you vlog गर्दा यो झन्डै चाहे dog bite me. It's shocking, yeah. But so this is the place where I had made vlogs at rock, but that video has been deleted. If you can just break your comfort zone totally, then I'm sure about that you can do anything in the world and you can win the world. Good morning everyone, and this is the day of I just forgot about it, but I have to take this video to a vlog to take my challenge. So everyone, what I'm doing today, what I'm gonna do today, so I'm gonna vlog in 3 languages. I'm going to make videos in 3 languages because I want to create a lot of content and I'm going to create a lot of videos. So that's the thing which I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna upload it in cloud storage. Yeah, I'm going to upload all these videos in cloud storage. After doing that, next month I will edit everything and I will upload everywhere. That's my planning. Let's see what will happen, and I don't know how my plan is going. So today is exciting day. Do you know why? Because you vlog गर्दा यो झन्डै चाहे dog bite me. It's shocking, yeah. But it's very hard. Like so I don't know why people put dog there. Yeah, I don't know, but it's very fearful. Okay, so this is a very fearful moment where I just caught with dog. I don't know what to do. Like I'm just vlogging and I just captured that moment too, and I'm vlogging. I'm going to capture all and every moment. So yeah, it will be fun, I'm sure about that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm now just taking these challenges, and I'm just taking these 10-minute challenges. Maybe I will vlog more than 10 minutes today because I want to talk a lot. So you just saw me accidentally, and dog will bite me, but I am safe now because dog can't bite me, because dog is just inside, but dog can't bite me. Yeah, I'm safe. But I'm very fearful. I'm very with dog, because dog have bite me 3-4 times, and I have to take injection because of this reason. It's very fearful and it's very risky with dogs, because if dog will bite, then you have to take injection because you can't trust dog. People will say they already injected their dogs, but it's not sure about. We can't trust them, and we have to, like, I went Tirupureshwar at the hospital, and I will used to take injection. Whenever dog bite, I will go to Tirupureshwar and I will take injection. That's the thing which I used to do at that time. Now I will vlog. I will make a lot of vlogs. Yeah. So that's my planning. So what I'm planning today, I'm planning to visit the places, tourist place, and then I will vlog there. So let's see how I will vlog and how I will make videos. But that's my planning. I will make videos in different contexts, different languages. Yeah, I'm going to make in Nepali and Hindi and English. But I will not, I don't know it will be fun or not, but it will be adventurous and it will be memorable, and after some time I will remember this day. Okay, so now I will vlog and make these videos. Okay, so I'm going to this road because I'm using this road because I really want to meet the people. So 2 weeks ago I met with Adai Buddha Rai. Then I had made vlogs with him, and I also made vlogs at his truck, but those videos are deleted. But I want to make more videos. I want to make no, what I'm saying now, I want to again make videos with him and at his truck, because I want content. That's the thing. Maybe he will be there. I will contact him and again I will make vlogs. So what I'm planning, what I'm planning that if he will be there, I will make vlogs in his truck, and I will also make some videos in his truck and with him also. That's my planning. I don't know how am I gonna do that, but that's my planning. Let's see what will happen. So you can see me, the sun and me. So the day is going to be great because I see the sun, and if you see the sun in the morning, then the day will be automatically great because it makes your day. If you walk in the morning, if you see the sun in the morning, then your day will be totally great, totally better. So I don't know it is safe to vlog in road or not, but you have to be careful. I have to be careful because it's not too safe to make videos in the road, but I'm making the videos because even it's not safe in the normal walking in the road, and but you have to watch side by side while making videos and while making contents or videos because it's not safe. Yeah, so you can see me. Yeah, I'm happy, and because I'm happy because I think I'm happy, that's why I'm happy, and I'm enjoying because I'm making videos. That's why I'm enjoying. Let's see, I will meet I will meet or not meet him. I will show you. So if I meet him, if I will meet him, then I will sure make videos, some videos. After making videos, then I will do other things too. Yeah, that's my planning. Let's see what will happen. My planning works. Those my planning works or not, I will show you. I will contact with him, and maybe what I'm planning now, if I will not if today I will not meet with him, then today I will call him. Then I will call him. Then I will call him, and I will say him that when will you come here. Then whenever he will come, then I will make videos and vlogs with him. That's my planning. Yeah. Okay, so my challenge is completed day by day. I'm completing my challenge day by day. I already completed my 30 days challenges, and I have to learn more and more things, and this challenge is helping me to grow myself, to go out of my comfort zone. I'm breaking my comfort zone totally. That's the thing. Yeah, now what I think I can do anything because I had already break my comfort zone. So I think like I can win, and I can be anything, whatever I want I can be, and I can do anything. So I don't know I don't know I will meet him or not, but if I will meet him, I'm sure I'm gonna make vlogs. So let's complete this challenge. Let's make these vlogs. Okay, so he is not here. Okay, now I'm gonna just make random videos. If he will be there in future, I will make vlogs. So I will show the place, and I will show so he's not there. Yeah, it's sad, but it's okay. In future I will sure meet here. So this is the place where I made vlogs at truck, but he's not here. Now I will not make vlogs, but I have to make vlogs in future. That's the thing. Yeah. So oh, sad. It's sad because he's not here. If he will be here, in future I will make vlogs with him. So why he's not here, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so he's not here today, and if he will be there, I will make some random videos, and I will make some vlogs too. So this is the place where I had made vlogs at truck, but that video has been deleted. So if he will be there in future, then I will sure make vlogs. So I don't know why he is not here. In future he will come, sure. I'm sure about that, and he will be here. So the Buddha Dai is from Hedauda, and he drive truck, and he sells Ita. I don't know what it's called. It's called in Nepali Ita, and it's so Buddha Dai is not here. In future he will come here at place, and I will make some videos, and I will also make some videos at truck too. So okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Should I vlog or should I not vlog? Maybe I should vlog for some time again, and I will make vlogs, and I'm just making videos to improve my speaking practice. I have to do some speaking practice too. Okay, so Buddha Dai is not here. He used to be here, and I met him here, and I met him here. That's the correct grammar. I met him here, and I had vlogged with him. I had make videos with him. And so today he's not here. In future he will sure come. Let's see what will happen. If he will come here, I will make vlogs. That's the thing, yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, I just completed my 10 minutes challenge. It's 50 seconds, 57, 57, 58. I had completed my vlogging challenge, 10 minute challenge. Now what should I do now? So I don't know what I'm gonna do now, but what I'm thinking, I should walk and take a small walk. After taking a small walk, then I will get more and more ideas. And while walking, I get ideas automatically. That's the thing, yeah. So okay, he's not here now. Let's go. So you can see this place where rice dhan is cutted already, and you can also see me where I am just standing and making some videos. And in future, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just want to do a lot of things. So today I'm gonna create a lot of content. So that's the thing which I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna walk and take a small walk, and I will just finish this video. Or should I walk more and more and make videos? I don't know. But what I'm thinking, just finish this video and just take a walk, and I will get some ideas. That's the thing. So what I'm planning, I'm gonna make more and more videos. So that's my simple and sweet plan. I'm gonna make more and more videos. So for now, I'm gonna just stop this video. In future, I will meet you again, and I will complete another challenge too. For now, I'm gonna just stop and just stop this video. And I will meet you in future. And thank you for clicking and watching this video. We will meet soon and again, because I will not stop making videos, and I will make more and more videos. This is just starting, and I'm gonna upload more and more content in other channels too. I am making already a lot of contents, which you can see. If you want to watch my other videos and content, then you can watch in my other channels too, because I'm also uploading other videos and other contents in other channels. So I think I should vlog, because if you don't think you should vlog, then you should vlog. I should vlog. Okay, so I will vlog for this area to this area, and after making vlogs, then I will stop vlogs for some time. In other, if after 5 minutes or 4 minutes after making these videos, what I'm gonna do, so making this video, so I will vlog in other language too. But after 12 PM, I will make other videos. And for now, I'm gonna just stop after some time. But for now, I'm gonna just it's very hard. I don't know why I'm feeling hard, but I'm just enjoying while vlogging. So in this area I'm vlogging after 2 weeks, or this day 2 weeks, maybe it's been 2 weeks. I had made videos, and I had already made videos here many times, but I had not worked here it's been more than 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks I'm working again here. So in future, if you see me here, then you can contact me and call me, hey bro, then I will meet you and I will talk with you. I will be here because I live here, and I just live here, and I just what I do here, I just live here, and I don't live here, I just live near this place. And whenever you see me here, then you can contact me. We will have a great conversation, we will have a great talk, and we will have a great conversation. That's the thing, yeah. And we will enjoy, I will enjoy sure, because if you meet me here, oh thank you, I will say thank you to you. And that's the thing, yeah. So now I have to take walk. I'm gonna make more and more videos. So I have a lots of plan which I have to do in the evening and daytime. In the daytime, I have to make vlogs in 3 languages, yeah. So that's my planning, and I had to keep my energy on, and I'm gonna keep my energy on. So that's the thing, yeah. And I'm enjoying it. Okay, now I will after some time I will stop this vlog. After stopping this vlog, then I will make other videos too. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, so I think I should stop now vlogs because I want to vlogs in public. That's why there is more public backside. Then I had vlog there. Now I'm gonna stop this vlog and stop this video. After some time I'm gonna make again videos, and after making more and more videos I will complete all challenges. I will complete other videos too. I have to complete more and more videos. That's the main thing which I have to do. So for now I'm gonna just stop this video. I will make just a vlog. I'm gonna just talk for some time again and again. After talking more and more, I will improve more and more. That's the thing. Yeah, so I'm also improving my English speaking skill. I'm speaking myself too. I'm breaking my comfort zone. So let's break your comfort zone a lot. If anybody is watching this video, if you can just break your comfort zone totally, then I'm sure about that you can do anything in the world and you can win the world. So breaking comfort zone is not hard. It's just all about thinking. If you think everybody or anyone or thinking about you and watching you and judging you, you are wrong, because no one is judging you and no one is, they're watching you but they are busy in their own work. So just chill and do your work, whatever you want to do. Just don't do wrong things, don't do bad things, and just don't affect anyone or don't impact anyone wrong. Don't influence or don't say anything wrong. Just do whatever you want, but don't do wrong things. If you are not doing wrong things, why are you hesitate to make videos, or why are you fearful to make videos in public area? But no one is judging and no one is watching you. They watch you for once, then they go to their own work. They will go to their own work because they have to do a lot of works. They have to do a lot of work. So that's the thing. Yeah, so you have to just make, you can just make, because you are not judging anyone and you are just doing your own things. Yeah, and you are enjoying it, and I'm also enjoying it, because while making vlogging I enjoyed a lot and I enjoy a lot, and I will also enjoy in future too. So just make the videos and just enjoy the content creating and enjoy. That's the thing. So now I'm gonna stop this video. I will vlog after some time again. After making this video I will just walk for some time. After walking, then I will make other videos too. For now I'm gonna just stop this video. I'm gonna make other videos too. I have to make other videos too. Well, I had repeated many words again and again. No, I'm not going to repeat my words again and again, because I don't want to repeat my words again and again. I'm gonna just speak. I want to speak to the point here. So that's the point. I'm gonna just speak to the point. So for now I'm gonna stop this video, and it is fun. It is really fun. Yeah, it is fun and exciting. Now I'm gonna just walk for some time without camera. I have to think other things too. And I'm planning other things too. Let's see. Whenever you walk, you will get a lot of ideas if you walk like peacefully. Okay, now I will walk for some time without camera and I will think a lot of things. Then maybe we will meet in another videos, or maybe I will make videos today too. Let's see. Whatever happens, I will share with you. So take care everyone, just keep growing everyone, and thank you so much for watching and clicking in this video. And this is my best video. Do you know why? Because I think it's best video. That's why this is best video. And if you think your video is best, then this is best, and if you don't think your video is best, then it's your not best video. So thank you so much for watching and clicking this video, and we will meet soon after someday, or no, tomorrow I will make this challenge. I have to complete these challenges, and I will make other videos too after this time. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and clicking on this video. We will meet soon. Thank you so much. Now I will stop this video. Thank you.